Hello, my wonderful family, lovers of freshly homemade food. Today I'm going to show you how I made my pigeon pea with achịcha, dry cocoyam. So I started by breaking my dry cocoyam into smaller pieces. I washed it very thoroughly. As you can see, after breaking it into pieces, I had to wash it very well to make sure it is sand free and dirt free. So I went on to wrap it with plantain leaf because I'm going to add it to my pigeon pea. So to avoid scattering into the water, I had to wrap it with plantain leaf. So at this point, I added my already parboiled pigeon pea into the boiling water to cook further for some hours. Then I added my dried cocoyam to it to save time and stress. I had to make little openings in the leaf so that it will cook very well. That is what I'm doing. I am making it have little hole to allow water to get into it to cook the dried cocoyam very well. So I had to go to my farm to get fresh utazi leaf. Pigeon pea needs a lot of time to cook very well, to soften. So I've given it 3 hours, and now I'm bringing out my cocoyam. Now to complete my meal, I had to place my pot on a low heat, added red oil, salt, onions, then stir it to bring out the flavor. I added locust beans as one of my natural spices for today. Then give it a good stir. I also added oil bean seed, opaka, to it and give it a good stir. Without opaka, there is no meal. I added my pepper, then give all a good stir. Now I added pigeon pea, stirred it very well to mix with my spices, then added my achịcha, the dry cocoyam, and give everything a good stir. Then I added extra red oil because it is oil demanding, and I gave it a good stir to allow everything to mix together. And I also added my fresh otazi leaf that I got from my farm to give it this natural greeny look. My meal is ready. My Fio Fio and Achịcha is ready. I want to use this opportunity to thank you, my returning subscribers, for liking, commenting, sharing my work. I really love you. Please come and enjoy this wonderful meal with me. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are most welcome. Please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you know whenever I post a new video. So enjoy this wonderful meal with me as one big family. You know I love you. I so much appreciate your presence in my channel. Thank you. God bless you. See you next time in my next video. Bye bye. Love you.